Here are 5 lessons I learned from building an 8-figure staffing and consulting company. I have been in the recruitment business for some time, building a 100-person team in the process. During that time, I've built a company from the ground up, seen revenues soar to figures that once seemed unattainable, fostered a team culture that won industry accolades. But success isn't just about what you do right. Sometimes it's avoiding the things that you do wrong. I call them lessons learned, and here are mine. Number 1, energizing choices. I learned to cut out clients and tasks that were energy drains, even if they were profitable. Protecting my energy became a priority. This helps to lead with vitality, make better decisions, and foster a healthier, more productive work environment. The delayed gratification trap. Choosing delayed rewards meant not celebrating victories when they happened, which over time diluted my drive and the company's momentum. The lesson: realize the importance of immediate rewards and recognition to fuel the continued passion and performance within yourself, the CEO. You maintain enthusiasm for your work and avoid decisions that drain your spirit, even if they seem profitable. Number 3, closely related to number 2, the fixed compensation complacency. I thought that keeping my salary static was smart and thrifty. It was a great number, sure, but I disconnected my rewards from my effort and success. It helped lead to burnout. The lesson: your compensation should reflect your success to help maintain motivation and alignment with company performance. Number 4, stick to your guns. I learned to be careful what I said yes to. Often I found myself saying yes to things I didn't even agree with, just to make others feel happy, empowered, or to follow through on my commitment to let other people manage. If it's a bad idea, it's a no. It's that simple. And number 5, manage your growth and limit overgrowth. I had a target of 40% year-on-year top-line growth, and that was my main objective. I didn't spare a second's thought to see if it was impacting the bottom line. I was neglecting other crucial points too. I failed to build out the depth and quality of the team I needed and kicked building culture down the road as well. Also, systems, processes, and leadership talent was kind of put off into the future. We went from a highly tuned $4.5 million company that was crushing it to a $13 million company held together by duct tape, praying that we didn't get bad weather. From the outside, being a badass CEO looks like it's flashy cars, boats, arm waving, and motivational speeches. The reality: it's about learning from mistakes, making uncomfortable strategic decisions, and persisting against all odds. Take these lessons now for a happy path forward towards that dream exit.